Elijah, can you tell us how long Jalha's been fighting this fish?
Probably 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
You know how long I've been standing in this stance? About 15 minutes.
He's been waiting in the net for 15 minutes.
It's like pulling off.
Oh, you sure it's a fish, man? It might just be stuck.
If I didn't know any better, yeah, I'd say it was a rock.
No, it's a fish that's pulling.
I think he caught the Loch Ness Monster, guys.
Yep, this is it. I see.
Coming up?
To me. That exists.
Coming up?
We're on top of it, but I don't know if it's coming up yet. I don't know how deep the river is.
If it is a fish, if it is a fish and it moves up, I'm going to stay close to it. That way we can net it as soon as possible. I don't want it to surface far away and then not be able to get
This
to
guy's
it.
going upstream too. I can understand other fields going downstream. Are you sure this thing's going to fit in this net?
Moving up.
Long Asian carp fishing in Iowa, 2015, right here.
Hey, okay, a double C6 calling is not a fish, guys. It's an alligator. Yeah, probably, but hey,
It's an alligator cut it.
I'm not nutting this alligator, dude.
Oh, how much line you got out?
I'm almost got back.
It should be up.
He's almost got all the line. So we
No,
are
watch out.
moving. The fish is moving.
Move your line forward.
Wait till you see him.
No. We're right on top of him now. Is that fish? It's twitching.
Yeah, it's twitching.
It's twitching. It could be that log again.
Wood fish.
It's a swimming log that
It's a
fights.
fish.
He's pulling it.
No, we are drifting downstream.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. You're gonna go on YouTube!
You better not lose this one, Jalha.
Come on, I'll just fight it anyway.
Are you sure it's a fish?
You always gotta be sure. The only way
Yeah, that's definitely
Are
a
we
fish.
still drifting downstream?
Yeah, we're still drifting.
Yeah, it's pulling my cream.
But we're drifting downstream. And so,
But it's next to me.
If it's gonna let it go.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's where I got stuck.
Oh,
There you go, there you go, there you go.
Oh, tough.
There you go.
oh, the fish got stuck on something.
yeah, I got stuck on something.
Alright, now it's going.
Watch out, watch out.
Now that's a fish. That's it.
Oh!
Shit!
Oh my god!
You're still on? No, it's gone.
Oh, man.
Oh
Yeah,
my god.
that's why I was telling you.
This is definitely going on YouTube, guys.
I don't know what it was, but I broke my pole.
Oh my goodness.
I got it on tape, right?
I got it on video here.
Fucking right. Hey, you still got your pole. All right. That's a big ass fish.
No
man.
more shopping at Walmart.
That was a huge fish.
should have let line go.
Yeah,
What?
You should have.
No, but it had drag. The drag took it.
Not enough
I
drag.
should have.
It got stuck on a boat.
Yeah.
Should have dragged.
When you get stuck on the boat.
It got stuck because the
something
line
else.
got stuck on a boat and it
here?
got dragged.
But
Yes.
it pulled it straight down.
Yes.
Here, okay.
Oh.
It probably
The
like
pool
went
was on the
around
line
it.
and it
Oh,
won't
you
go.
pinched it.
Yes, that's why.
Oh, man.
That's
Because it
what.
went down and it just pinched.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, all that for nothing.
At the end of the day, I didn't get anything. But you know, the netting guys success.
All right.
All right, Jalha, any final words before I end this video?
Can I borrow somebody's pole?
That was a big one.
Yeah, that was a big one. For it to do that,
Hey.
and see, that's why the pole is rated for a certain amount of line, so that the line will break no matter what before the line. So when you use an excess, the pole will break before the
Pole
line.
had to be stronger.
Every pole has a rating. I know I'm using like overpowered line for my pole, but I don't care.
Here we are
It breaks, but.
in Pella, Iowa. Jalha just broke his rod.